Okay, guys, and the last one, the last three letters of the Russian alphabet, E and small e, small e, the last three letters of the Russian alphabet, A, U, Ya, U, U, not very many words on this letter. If you look in the ends of the alphabets, Latin or Russian, you don't see very many words on it. But A, U, and the last one is Ya, and of course Ya in Russian language is little dot. Remember, like we put LM. I will show you separately that one too, because it's important. Like a little dot we can put here. Ya is the last letter of the Russian alphabet, Ya. A, U, Ya. A, U, Ya. Ya. Ya means I also. Personal pronoun I. Ya. First person singular, Ya. And I want to show you these three one more time from the middle of the alphabet. Leme. L. Russian L. L. Russian M. And Russian Ya. Yes, guys, very important to understand that you start kind of here and you go down and then you go up. Here, start here, then you go down and then you go up. Here, you start here, you go down and then you go up and right. Okay, one more time. Russian L. Larissa, the name Larissa, for example, Russian name Larissa for woman. L. M. Maria, Spanish name, Russian name Maria. M. M. Ya. Ya Zoya. I am Zoya. In Russian language, as in Arabic language, we don't use I am Zoya. We don't use am, the verb to be. Okay, we don't use. I just heard today in Arabic lesson, they don't use. We don't use. Okay. Yeah. Russian is much simpler than Arabic, by the way, because letters are very clear. As soon as you know letters, you already know L, M, Ya. Thank you. This was Russian writing.